Lovable just released their new AI agent mode, and it's absolutely insane. So, Lovable has moved from a chat model to an AI agent that already from its beta version has reduced build errors by 90%. Also, it has cut down on unwanted changes and made Lovable in general a lot better in terms of its task performances. So what this agent is able to do is search the codebase to locate exact files. It's able to read the files when it needs to understand the structure of your application, see the logs and network activity, as well as search the web real time to get whatever information and content it needs. Also, it's able to generate and edit images on the fly. So this is a very big release from them, and recently they made it public, meaning they moved away from the beta version, and they also announced that they have reached 100 million recurrent revenue. So they're the fastest AI company to reach this kind of marks, which is pretty insane. They even surpassed Cursor and OpenAI in how much time it took them to reach that. So the AI agent is right now available. It has reduced errors by 91%. Also, the pricing became a lot cheaper as a lot of actions cost a lot less than they would previously. So this is a big update from their side, and I already tested it out with 2 new prompts that I have created recently. So the first prompt is creating an interactive Pokemon Pokédex webpage that features 50 Pokemons, including animation and types. So this is what the model was able to do. Here you can actually see the chat. It did everything over here, and it was able to spin this up for us. It's live right now. You can actually find it if you search this link. Here you can select the type of Pokemon you want to see, and you can see the different types of Pokemons. So that's a very nice result. I wouldn't say it's the best one that I have seen from this prompt, but I would say this is a very good result. Like, it spin up a basic page. There are some errors here with the colors, but in general it feels very good. Also, the second prompt I asked it to do is a very simplified Flappy Bird game in a single page. So the problem with this was that the game was very hard to play, so I added 2 additional requests to make the bird fall slower and also that the jump is more calibrated. These 2 requests ate up 2 credits. Every single day you have about 5 free credits that you can use, alright? And 100 monthly credits. So that's what everyone gets, but you also get another 100 if you get the subscription. But you can of course use it completely for free. You don't have to pay anything if you use it for free for 5 daily credits. So let's go ahead and see the Flappy Bird game. This is it. Looks real nice, real clean. You can reset and restart the game. So the game is very hard to beat. As you can see, I'm already failing, but it counts the score, says game over, keeps the score in high score, and gives you instruction on how to play the game. So I would say that this is not the perfect game, but what I really like is the design. It's very good. It has an actual icon, the pipes looks clean, and the menus look also very clean. Also, if we were to test it out in web view, it looks fine. Maybe not perfect, but I would say that this is a good response. It also actually handles the borders of top and bottom, but in terms of gameplay mechanics, it was not really that amazing. In all honesty, my opinion is that this is not a significant improvement to what Lovable was able to do previously. Why am I saying that? Let me show you exactly why. I have been using Lovable for quite a long time. You can see me here prompting it 5 months ago, 6 months ago, and in all honesty, it's not the most perfect thing that I have seen right now. So I want to show you what previously Lovable has created for me. It has created this transformer guide, which is a page that teaches you transformer models. Not perfect, but quite good, especially if you consider the competition. Also, it has created a website for courses. Again, for some reason it is not loading anymore. But this goes significantly better than the Pokédex, so I expected something better from the current version, and this is again another typical website like that. So in all honesty, I expected something a little better from this huge update, But in terms of pricing, indeed, it feels a lot cheaper than previously, and I think it's a good improvement in general. Again, I think Lovable is not very cheap. I would use it only for free for a one-shot prompt to spin up my first website or template for what I would like to create, but I would really not pay any money to them, at least at this point, especially compared to what open source models can do. For example, yesterday we covered GLM 4.5, which I want to show to you right now, and there is a very specific reason for that. These guys over here just replaced Lovable. They have an AI agent that was able to create something pretty amazing. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So they have created a Pokédex. This is where I took these prompts from. So let me show you exactly what these guys have created with a free chat. So they've created this Flappy Bird game, which is very hard. In all honesty, this is a very hard game again, but it looks a lot better than the one in Lovable. They also create presentations, but they also have created this pretty amazing. Look at this. Look at such an amazing Pokédex. And you can use this tool completely for free right now on Z.ai. Again, we tested it out yesterday. It was not perfect, but as it is completely free to use and you can do so many stuff, I felt it was quite powerful. So this is a very big alternative to Lovable, and there are a lot of other projects similar to Lovable that offer you daily free credits, like Vercel V0, Bolt, then you have Manus, then you have GenSpark, or you could create front-end websites just with Gemini. The only big part of Lovable right now is its integration with Supabase, and also that it allows multiple people to use it. Also, a very big and important step is that by inviting other people to Lovable, you are able to get very cheap credits completely for free. So you could actually invite your friends and get loads of credits which you can use. So essentially, all of this turns into a free-to-use application. They get more users and they grow. They get potential clients and emails for marketing. And you actually get loads of free credits to build whatever you want. So I will be giving you the link for Lovable down below in the description. If you're interested to learn it and do some stuff with it, you can go ahead and check it out. Thank you so much for watching another video, and I will see you on the next one.